This is little Honey. Honey just got a teeny tiny puppy, and she is doing her best and as much as she can do to protect her tiny puppy. Here in the dog meat farm, not great condition for any puppies and any moms. She is so sweet and amazing mom. She really loves people's attention and belly love. She was fated to be sold for the dog meat trade. She is gonna have better environment very soon, and she can protect her puppy as much as she wants, and they're gonna be safe, right, Honey? She is so sweet and amazing mom.